What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another makeup tutorial. We're going in with some primer first, and please forgive me. The hue of the video is a little blue. I do end up fixing it midway, but today I'm going to be using the Patrick Ta palette that I was so excited to get. It's pretty much a neutral matte palette. Works beautifully, blends beautifully, perfect colors. Can work with many different skin tones. I love that you can make a smoky eye, you can make a natural eye. It really did the job, and I'm so happy I got this palette. And it has these two cream shades. You definitely want to set these shades with the corresponding eyeshadow because they will transfer. So go in with the cream like I'm doing here in the video. I'm doing it for a cat eye. I think it was made more for like a primer, but here I'm going in for the cat eye, and then I go in and I set it with the black eyeshadow. Also, please forgive my voice. I feel like I'm losing it. I've been sick for some time with the sinuses. I live in Jersey. The weather's been crazy, so yeah, please forgive me. Moving on, just blending out that eyeshadow that I did, and I wanted the inner corner to be like super bright. So at first I went in with some concealer, and then you're going to see me go in with the lightest colors in the palette, which is like a beigey color and a pure white color for the inner tear duct. Moving on to complexion, I'm just going in with some green primer to reduce some of my redness, and I'm going in with the Bare Minerals concealer. I really like Bare Minerals. I feel like they are underrated, but they don't break me out. They last a decent time because they don't put any crazy chemicals in their products, so it does last you a while without getting funky, if you know what I'm saying. And normally I use their foundation, but today I'm going to be using a new foundation that I got. Eventually I will show it after I put my eyeliner on, which I'll always use that L'Oreal eyeliner. It's the best one. But I bought the Charlotte Tilbury tinted moisturizer that she offers. Very hydrating. Love the foundation. It is buildable to full coverage, so you can get full coverage. Personally, I like the medium coverage. I like to see some skin underneath. There it is, right there. I forget what it's called, but oh, beautiful skin. There we go. I highly recommend this foundation. I'm a little bit oily, and it didn't crease on me or anything. I also set it really well, but I guess that's the key. You want to set your foundation really well if you are oily, but if you're a dry girly, that is probably the foundation for you. I went in with this new powder that I got from One Size, which I love Patrick Ta. He's my dude. I love his makeup, and the powder really, I think, is what locked in the foundation on my skin that didn't make it crease or act crazy throughout the day, if you know what I'm saying. And then I'm just going in with my regular complexion routine, bronzer, highlighter, blush, contour, the usual, nothing new here. Back to the foundation, I used their color matching on Charlotte Tilbury's website, and it came up a little bit too dark for me, but I was still able to make it work. So just a heads up, if you are going to be using that shade matcher that they have on their website, it was a little off for me, I have to say. But besides that, I love it. is pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be on the lookout for more reviews like this. I did get some few things from P. Louise, so I look forward for that. And yeah, see you in the next video.